Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. Today I'm with 4 jobs and 3 internship updates. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more updates related to internships and jobs. So starting with the first one, Cardekho is hiring for software engineer in PHP, 0 to 3 years of experience, and you must have BTech or B in computers. Okay. And the second update is from Zycus for Java developer for 2022 batch graduate. And these are the skills that you must have, that general programming skill, knowledge of Java, Spring Framework, and strong software developer fundamentals, knowledge of object-oriented programming, knowledge of software design and debugging, knowledge of relational database such as MySQL, and so on. And the third update is from Freshwork for graduate trainees in software engineering for 2022 batch pass out. Okay, so these are the required skills or eligibility that you must have to apply. And the fourth update is from Siemens for software developer role. Location is in Bangalore, India. And these are the skills that you must have: BTech, B in computer science or information science, basic knowledge of C Sharp, .NET, RDMS, HTML, JavaScript. Okay, so all the links will be in the description. Go and apply. For internship, the first update is from Nokia for a student intern, and these are the skills that you must have. Must be in BTech or MTech or MCA. Minimum 65% tend to engineering is desirable. Must be available for 5 working days. Interested in testing or testing concept. Good knowledge in scripting like TCL, Perl, or in Python. Okay. And the second internship update is from Lido for tech intern, and these are the required skill that you must have. Experience with either Python or JavaScript is required. Good logical and problem solving skills, good knowledge of algorithm and data structure, and written communication skill, and so on. And the third update is from OA Rikshaw for backend intern, and these are the skills that you must have. Candidate with a strong communication skills and ability to discuss any issue with wide variety of individuals and groups. Well organized team player, have a strong in logic, no database SQL. Okay, and the stipend will be 25K. So all the links will be in the description. Go and apply. If you have any query, then comment down. I will reply to your query. Also, please do follow our LinkedIn page for more updates. I post regularly related to internships and jobs, so you can directly apply from those links. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like. Bye.